too close now. Y'all too close. All right. Cool, cool, cool. This episode is brought to you by Fortunes Funding. Fortune favors the bold, the bold, the bold. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, guys? It is I, Sirhansfelix in the flesh. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Alright, make sure to like and subscribe if this is your first time. Make sure I let the whole world know we live. Give me a second. Alright. So, let me check. Alright, we got squad. Yeah, you couldn't hear me because I was making sure I sent the link out. Alright, so what's going on? What's going on? The volume. Alright. Is the volume good? Cool. Nah, the mic can't be getting all the shine. Much better. Much better. Alright, cool. Alright. So, man, shout out to my boy Ali. I was up super early just watching my trades, but then I came in just to see what was going on, and I see my boy running it up. I was like, all right, okay, let's go, baby. Let's get it, my guy. You know, it's always good to see your peers doing great. And so, I caught a bag myself. Not like Ali's bag, but you know. So, where's my picture? I gotta get a couple tricks from Ali, man. I saw he connected like the phone and everything to his screen. I'm like, yo, how you do that? Man, I had to reach out to Ali Services and figure that out. That was pretty cool. So, activo para la sesión. Yes, sir. What's up, Jose? What's good? What's up? Yo, how are you? No news from our chat. Hey Hans, Liquidity Hunter, what's up? Edwin, what's up, bro? Yep, Derek, what's up? Music lyrics, what's good? All right, so very quickly, some of the trades are already happening. Uh, you just had to already be in there. For instance, I saw that GU was moving. You know, I was paying attention to the live session, and then I was like, oh, um, EU ain't moved yet. So I got an EU the first time they was doing some bullshit. I was like, all right, no problem. But then of course, price changed character right here, broke structure. I was like, yes, let's go. All right, price retrace. I said, good girl. And price broke structure again. I was like, now you talking my language. Now you talking my language. So price pulled back right here by 7:15. By 7:45, I was in this trade. And so I closed most of my profits and partials. And so I had like a nice little six pip stop loss and about 39 pips in profit. I actually just woke up again. And so, this retracement right here, like obviously you don't always know how far it's going. So by the time it retraced right there, I closed major partials. I have like one small position running, but for the most part, like everything is just redistributing and it looks beautiful. It looks very, very clean. And truth be told, like sometimes you get in some of these trades and they'll stop like right here or some crap is going on. But what really sold me in on this trade was the fact that price broke structure, pulled back here, and was failing to swing higher. So failure swing highs from the previous session or the previous day to me is one of the highest quality of trades. That makes me super confident. And so, I threw them lots on, boy. I was not playing games. I saw the potential out of gold, and we still got some room to go. It's just that I chose EU over gold. Yesterday, I did not anticipate this buy, and they got me. They got me good. So, so now currently, if we're looking at gold, we can see what went on here. Uh, August, last week's highs literally got swept. We just um, we just witnessed price changing character also. Um, Maybe price might pull back a little bit here, and so if they do, then might be a chance to get in. I know some of you guys are probably already in these trades as we speak. Let me check the live stream real quick. Woo! They want a giveaway. They want a giveaway. Precise liquidity. Yo, you shorted Euro USD at 1.0855 with 7 pip stop loss. Let's go, bro. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. Congratulations, congratulations. You was hunting that liquidity, huh? All right, can you do analysis on CAD JPY? You're in right now, short on that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure CAD. Oh yeah, you took ADEX Academy. You took GU. Nice. CAD JPY. I'm pretty sure CAD JPY is also selling. Let me check CAD JPY. Pretty sure. Oh, wait a minute. Did price just sweep Tuesday? Damn, you in early. Nice. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is what we want to see. Ooh. Hey, bro. That's a clean trade. That's a clean trade right there. Yeah, that GU sell was really dope. Um, that's a clean trade right there. Matter of fact, that's not my pair, but I will take this trade with you. I will. I will. I will. All right. Okay, now we talking. CAD JPY. CAD. JPY. Okay. Price just swept liquidity. Yeah, man. Yeah, that looks good. It looks good to me. And it's a 12 pip stop loss. Yeah, I'll take that. All right, so here's how I'm gonna do this. All right, this since price swept the previous week, there's a lot of great potential here. Lots of great potential here. Target definitely yesterday's London. Okay, now we talking. That's a good setup, my boy. Ratatata. Yo, no cap. That's a clean setup. It don't take long if a setup is clean for you to mark it out. Ooh-wee. Let me screenshot who said that. Yeah, Let's Trade Academy, bro. Good stuff, man. Put some fire in the chat for my boy, Let's Trade Academy. That's a clean setup. I like people who come in and give value. I like that. I like that. Me like that. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Of course, I'm taking it. Good risk to reward. I analyzed it. You know, I can't just sit here and be like, yeah, man, good trade, bro. This is nice. Anyways, moving on. You know, like it has to fit my identity on the charts too. Absolutely. Can I take a look at Nas? Yeah, I'll take a look at Nas. But let me open up another. Um, okay, now we talking. All right. So I ain't gonna lie. Some of my boys probably got clapped on Nas, cause I know they went to sleep. I know they went to sleep um on some Nas buys. But when I woke up in the middle of the night, cause you know traders never really have a full restful night. You know, it's like you have this pre-sentiment. You feel you can feel something's wrong. You can feel something is wrong. So come on now, internet. Don't do me like that. Your JPY is approaching supply. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so Nas, right? Yeah. I know some of my boys are in some buys from the night before. And so now it looks like price is retracing back into New York. New York from yesterday. So it's some good price action over here. And it's not even it's 9:30. It's 9:30. Don't be alarmed. Price is definitely heading into imbalance. Very easy trade. Price is definitely heading into the imbalance. Um, Even if they buy just slightly, it's it's fine. Might be just some internal liquidity. But yeah, y'all could get away with a quick 50 points here. It's not the highest quality of trade based off of entry, but yo, this is like a quick scalp, like quick, quick, quick thing. Look at that. Oh, we. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. What is this? 15,221 target. Yeah, that should happen like quickly. Yeah, that's gonna happen quickly. Yeah, they're gonna run to that easily. Yep. Yeah, too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Come on now. Come on now. Y'all ain't gonna give me that now. Come on. US 30. Nah, I can't be looking at too many things when the trades are lining up. Sorry. This where traders get messed up at. We gotta focus on just a few at a time, you know? If if this is what's going on with Nas, I'm pretty sure US 30 is doing similar things. Would you guys agree? Y'all ever get caught up looking at way too many things? At ease, soldier. Yeah. 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 That was too easy. Market. Thank you though. Thank you though. Whoo. Ooh. Yes, sir. Who's in that? Oh yeah. TP hit. That was too easy. Even though we saw it late. Yeah. Y'all got in? Bro, put some volume to your USD so I know, right? Muhammad Ali Zison said why. So all right, let's check your US 30 because that's a good question. That's a good question. Why? Like why? How are you going up and now it's going down? So here's the simple answer. I think they're just retracing at their own area of interest, which is this breaker block, it seems. And then Nas might be just retracing into yesterday's low, which was right there in the afternoon. So they have different retracement points, different retracement areas. Okay? So that's clearly the reason why. And all right, so on the H1 right here, it looks like price is just sticking steady at the 62 percent retracement. Hmm. I'm not too sold just yet. I'm not too sold just yet. But either way though, could be a conservative entry with 40-point stop loss. Man, oh my goodness. Hey, yo, Marcus kind of hurry, trying to rush folks. Damn. this was probably the quickest trade I've been in a minute. Mm-mm-mm. Woo. All right, so let me check back with Cat JPY just to see how everything is looking over there. Uh, Lenny said, found myself in consolidation on USD buy. Uh, so this is what breakfast looks like. I know, right? I know, right, Junior? You seen that, boy? Hey, man, go ahead and go and shout me out on Instagram, man. One of the fastest TPs you've ever seen on a live call, baby. Come on. All right? We out here throwing out. Ain't even had breakfast yet. All right? We on fasting time, baby. We ain't break the fast yet. We ain't break the fast yet. All right? Ateo, coño. Vamos. Okay, yeah, it was over for that. Somebody said they caught themselves in hold on. Let me get back to this. And then Muhammad said, okay, one more. If both lows and highs are taken, mean our trades TP were to go next. Should we wait for the next day or jump in on one side? Wow. So first of all, if both the highs and the lows are taken, you need to pay attention more before you get in a trade. All right, because you don't want to get clapped. All right. So I don't know what highs you meant or what lows you meant, but it's crazy how I pulled up in front of those charts and it was exactly what it was supposed to be looking for me. Uh, as I said, I don't know what time frame you was on also, but this looks pretty clear on the H1 and the M30 and the M15. You must have been like right before market open, and they had these indecision candles over here, just like kind of throwing people off. So I can understand that, but this was clear. I called it. I call the signal. I call the signal. I call the signal. I call the signal. Didn't even take me long to figure it out, man. That's what happens when you study and all right. So yeah, TP hit. Oh, daily highs and lows. Bro, I'm not sure, bro, but I'll tell you what's going on right now. I don't want this to be too much of an educational session while we have setups right in front of us. We have to take advantage of what's right in front of us. I think we all would agree. All right? But the daily highs and daily lows, like, again, price was selling until yesterday, I believe, right? And so like we failed to swing Tuesday's low, and then they all of a sudden crazy buy volumes came in, and so like I remember I caught this buy, but here we go. We have a whole retracement here at the breaker, and looking at it, this is why price retraced in here. Oh, and they retested London. They retested London, and so yeah, they just gave an impulsive move. You need to close out profits at least here, and if they retrace, then you can maybe hold um, for the next couple hours or until the end of the session, um, if that's what your trading plan is, because this is definitely giving us higher low vibes. All right, it's giving us higher low vibes, which means just because you caught a sell on Nas doesn't mean that they're gonna be like all the way bearish. This is a break of structure, guys. It's crazy, bro. Like these markets, you gotta be on it, cause it's crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, looks like we're eating, fellas and gentle. And if there's any women in here, any trades Any trading queens? Oh shoot, I forgot about UCAT. I'm in some UCAT buys, and it's buying well. I got away with murder on UCAT. Not even gonna lie to you. Not even gonna lie to you guys, man. Ooh, damn. Oh my goodness. Let me break down UCAT to you guys. What's up? What's up? Alan Adeleke. Yes, sir, it is. Yeah. So I woke up. I saw price broke structure pulled back at the breaker. My favorite setup because I can get away with murder. All right. If you want to know my strategy with the breaker, obviously if you guys listen, watch ICT, you might know it, but you might not know it like I know it because there's a little secret about the breaker block that you guys might not know. My students know them. It's one of my favorite in the arsenal because like it does something very, very, very special, and it helps me with risk to reward. All right. So either way, though, this is beautiful. So this tells me EU kept selling. No, it didn't. It retraced. So I'm glad I got out. Let me see. I was I started off buying GJ in London, and then I was doing good. Then they retraced, and then they just lost volume. I said, "Yeah, I'm out." It's okay, baby girl. You don't have to figure out now. If you don't know what you want to eat, it's okay. It's alright. No, I'll just do you that favor. I'ma head out. So I left, and then I called EU, and I was pretty happy. I was like, thank God I found other options. Yeah, UCAT is pushing fast for sure. Whoo, hey, we calling out bangers today, man. Good lord, who's keeping the score? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oof. Someone said UJ. I didn't pay attention to UJ, but that was a nice setup too. You just can't catch them all, you know. I'll let Pokemon do that, you know. And even Pokemon couldn't catch them all for real. Still can be your very best. But from yesterday, right? Price swept the previous week lows, or the week lows basically. All right. So because Price did that, I was like, bet. Then I seen a change of character. I said, ooh. Price retrace. I said, nice. And I got in, put my stop loss nice and tight. Price broke structure again. I didn't see this, but I was already in the trades because I knew once price sweeps the liquidity of the week, then there's a lot. It's a high potential price is gonna fly, and like there's whole time psychology and everything that comes with that. So it prepared me to actually maintain my positions on these trades. Nevertheless, though, yeah, so that kept me from messing around with gold's crazy ass, and I just focused on peers that know what they want to eat for breakfast. You know, not I don't know, babe, what you want to eat. I don't know. You choose. All right. Okay. All right. Anyways, y'all know what I'm talking about. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Ooh, hey, yo. Hey, yo. What pairs we should trade mostly in New York session? Ah, New York pairs. EU, GU, gold, US 30, UCAD. I mean, it's mostly about the setup, but my God. UCAD, yeah, UCAD. Bro, bro, shout out to CAD JPY, bruh. That was too easy. This was a one to what? How much did I risk? It's definitely a 1 to 6. Yo. Damn. Let's eat. Come on. Calling out bangers this morning. This is what happened when the markets. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. On some ASMR. That is beautiful. Oh. Oof. I call the signal. I call the signal. I call the signal. What should be target for CAD JPY? Well, as we said, the target is definitely yesterday's low, yesterday's New York. So, the first target for sure is yesterday's New York. Yesterday's London. 107.23. 107.23 is a good one. 107.27 is a good TP. 107.27. Hey, that's your pair, bro. I should be asking you. Listen, let me tell y'all something. Does your strategy work on all pair? Does structure work on all pairs? Yes. So there it goes. It doesn't matter what the score is. I caught that, Vic. I caught that. It doesn't matter what the score is. Man, love you, Vic. Every time. If somebody knows that reference, put it on the chat. It doesn't matter. But this was what I was about to say. If you tell me to look at a pair and you ask me a whole bunch of questions about it, I'll be like, wait, that's not my pair. That's your pair. You should be telling me what we think, you know. But I appreciate, giving me the okay to be the leader of the ship, captain of the ship. But y'all gotta show me when you step up to the plate that you eating and you know what you're doing with that pair, because that tells me too, like, some of y'all be just looking at way too many pairs and not really getting a little intimate with the pair. Like, you gotta know, shorty. You can't just be jumping from pair to pair not knowing anything. You might catch a stop loss hit. That's a very transmittable disease. It ruins accounts. It ruins confidence. That STP. Man, that's if you smell Todd. I like people who know their references, man. Todd, hey man, I'm putting your name down as one of my contenders of today's giveaway. I also have Trade Academy who contributed to one of today's trades. Some pairs be my side pieces. Understood. I can't judge. I cannot judge. Looks like you're gonna be hosting this live session on a daily because I just want to keep eating. Yeah, not when everything is. The setup's gotta be good, man. I be sitting here like sometimes on live sessions. I be like, bro, can we move? Or Like that one time, gold clapped me in front of everybody. I was like, "Yo, are you serious?" Hi, I just joined the live. Okay, well, welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice trading. Okay, so can somebody tell me how many pairs we just ate off of today? Cause I done lost count. Like five. No kizzy, bro. US 30 was definitely one of them. USD CAD, I didn't call that one, but CAD JPY is the second. Nas was the third. Uh, what else? I told you I done lost count. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, sir. All right. Oh my goodness. Hey, Mohammed, if you didn't catch that buy, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Hey, yo. I don't know what to tell nobody. 150 points. That's 1,500 pips. It's 1,500 pips, and we risked 40 point stop loss. Can't get nothing no cleaner than that. Yeah, you missed it. Pull up earlier next time. What? You missed it? You, Mohammed? Man, you was asking too many questions, man. It's execution mentality, baby. Come on. You. I owe you owe that trip. No, I don't owe you nothing. Hey, Apmith, Ranjan. Where in India? South India? North India? Which part? Man, I break my neck looking at US 30, boy. And joint just taking off. UJ buys. Oh Lord, this is beautiful. Hey, South India in the house. Oh yeah, USD CAD, CAD JPY, Nice. US 30, USD CAD, Nice. Um, Damn, when it's good, it's good. When it's good, it's good. Sheesh. Mm-mm-mm. Oh boy, yo. Uh, uh. Shout out to my brother Akeem watching right now. Still Team Six. Shout out to my brother Melly Mel. Shout out to my brother Byron. Shout out to my brother Antoine. Oh my gosh. Yo. Hey, I don't think you guys have caught a cleaner setup. Today has been too great of a day. If you were in London session with Ali and now, man, look, bro. I'm about to. Yo, what's up? SirHansFelix here. We are live with the Fortunes Funding crew. Man, these guys are catching a bag, yo. Like, London session came in, Ali slapped it, right? Then I came in, called this banger for US 30, bro. Oh my God. Then we called, what else did we catch, man? We called way too many pips today. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Now it's 100, smacked it. Smacked it. Easy bread, easy bread, easy bread. What else did we catch? CAD JPY, smacked it. Still in that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tap in, tap in, tap in. We killing it, man. We killing it out here. Fortune's funding, man. Fortune favors the bold. Let's go. Yo. Yeah, there's definitely a retracement going on with CAD JPY, but like, this is usually the time where you do what? You close partials, man. I ain't losing nothing today. Oh my lord. Yeah. Damn, yo. That was a clean, clean, clean setup. Sheesh. Rocket ship. Mm, mm, mm. Don't play with me, boy. You must not know. SEAL Team 6, Fortunes Funding, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Ooh. Let's go. Yeah. This is how it's looking right here, right now. Same difference. Y'all see the difference? I don't. Jeez. Jeez. Hey. Jeez. I know Muhammad is sick right now, boy. Rocket ship, boy. My God. Let's go. Yeah. No complaints today, huh? Yo, what's up, guys? SirhansFelix here, man. You know the voice, you know the vibes. We just caught a sick trade with US 30. We just risked about 40 points in stop loss. And shoot, the take profit done left the building like a rocket ship. Currently floating about 250 points, aka 2,500 pips. Man, you missing out if you're not pulling up to these live stream sessions, man. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, man. Let me show you what the live stream looking like right now. Killing it. Listen, man, I've been doing this for a while. This ain't nothing new. All right. If I were anybody, I would start. If you are an intraday trader, I would start closing major partials. Honestly, I would definitely. Um, I wouldn't just sit here and watch profits come right back. Just that's It's not the best thing to do, you know? See, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that retracement. All right. Um, this was a great session. Let's cover our bases. Nas is still selling, so shout out to you if you're still in there. Yeah, bro. TPs are like way out of the proportion of what we call. This was a good day. This was a good day. So on days like this, here's what I suggest you guys do. Don't get caught up in the emotions. Don't get caught up in the hype. Withdraw. If you are up, how many people are up right now on their funded accounts? Who's trading with their live funded accounts and are up right now because of this session that Ali and myself just had with you? Still on the challenge. Okay, okay, okay. Is it question based? Anyway, great session with Hans at Fortunes Funding. Is it question based? Yeah, I've answered hella questions. I've even engaged, and I get in on trades that if somebody calls out a pair that I like to set up. I've been doing live sessions for years. This is not my first rodeo, but I will tell you right now, when you are leading a live session, you can't just please everybody. You know, if we get to it, we get to it. But if we got four setups that are playing exactly to the T, we got to focus on those. That's what we do as traders, right? That's what we do. We're not going to let the opportunity pass us by. There's so many things you have to put in consideration the whole time. The securing of the profits or the partials, making sure it's heading into the right direction. Just because it's running, that doesn't mean anything. It could come right back. And, like people literally have they're waiting on your word. They're waiting on your 2 cents. It's not easy. And you got to entertain and answer questions and keep up with the chat. It's not easy. It's not easy, man. So, yeah, you don't have enough funds to get a challenge. Apex Academy, what are you doing? You got a whole academy, bro. You got to get your funds up, man. Like we got the cheapest accounts in the industry, to my knowledge. Oh, okay. Well, hey, you got a whole academy. That's good. Yo, and I will tell you guys right now, being broke is a current situation, but just because you write on the chat that I'm broke, that doesn't make a trader anything. I could be on my last dollar. I'm a trader. Like that means I'm operating in an environment of abundance. All right? You can have nothing today, but you keep sharpening your skill, you'll get something just little by little. Like And to be honest, guys, let me be real with y'all. I've been on my last many times. But just because you tell somebody you're broke, we're traders. Everybody asks us to borrow money. Everybody asks us for money. All of us in this space, right? Even you who's listening to this right now. Your parents, your friends, everybody expects you to be a millionaire because you're trading. But nobody can help fund your dreams and goals when you lose an account, when you blow an account. You're in that dark corner by your freaking self. You're in that bed. You and your thoughts. You're in that shower like an R&B singer just sliding down gently, crying like a baby. Everybody wants to ask to borrow money. Everybody wants opportunities, but no one's going to give us that money back until we get our shit together and make it back in the markets. When the market makers steal the money from this account based on our lack of preparation or our lack of understanding or our greed, uncertainty, or doubt, guess who we're going to have to ask this money back from? The market makers, not our people. So being broke is a circumstance. But don't expect a trader to feel sorry for you when you say you're broke. We've been broke many freaking times. Many times. Many times. Everybody asks us for money, but like when we lose in the markets, who's going to let us borrow $1? Nobody. They're going to be like, oh, I thought you were your trader. I thought you were making all this money from the markets. What happened there? I thought you had a 6-figure trading account. What happened? Okay. So, like, it's a tough sport. And if you ain't got no money to trade, then how you going to trade? And if you finally get access to money to trade with, your victim mindset is not going to allow you to operate at your functional optimum trading potential, because you're going to be feeling broke, and you're going to feel undeserving of making profits. You're going to see your greed activate. You're going to see your impatience activate because you're operating on a low vibration. So when you step up to this plate, you got to act like you got money already. This ain't a broke man sport. I'm sorry. Trust and believe. And I'm saying this because, like, when I step up here and I'm feeling like, man, I don't feel good. Man, the market took my money. Every time I act like that, I lose even more. Because no one's going to give a shit about me. Not the market. Definitely not the market. But when I pull up like, yo, I came here to make money today. What? I spank everything I see. The market say, hey, I'm not ready. I don't care. Drop them lot sizes, Hans. I'm ready. I hope you ready, market. Okay? So I know a lot of people come up here and they, we're from different cultures and backgrounds, and we're supposed to just like have compassion and, oh, please. No, that doesn't always sway me. I'm sorry. It doesn't, because when I'm broke, no one cares. I got to figure it out. Okay? So I hope this was a wake-up call, and I say this out of love. All right? Everybody got situations they're going through right now, but we got to figure it out. And guess what? When you are at the bottom of the barrel, and I'm saying this with my eyes closed, when your back is against the wall, that's the best position to be in, because when you get in on an elevator of life, come here. When you get in on the elevator of life, if the elevator reaches lobby or the garage or the ground, it's not going to go any lower than this. And such is the case for our lives. When your back is against the wall, there's nowhere else you could go further than here. So you got to figure it out. You got to figure out so you can get up. All right? This should be the moment. This should be the season where you're most hungry. You're most determined. You're pissed off about the situation. Like, man, how the hell do I get out of this situation? That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to motivate you. Don't let it break you. This is the moment, because what else you got to lose? You're already at the bottom of the barrel. You're already at rock bottom. It's called rock bottom for a reason. There's nothing lower than this. You gotta look around you, be like, yo, you know what? Damn, I'm at rock bottom, but hey, at least I know there's nothing lower than this. That means I'm at the lowest level, and the only option I have is to grind my ass off. Thank God for being at the rock bottom level that I'm in, because I know that I'm never gonna hit that rock bottom again. Even if the next time I hit rock bottom, I'm still gonna hit rock bottom with some type of wisdom, some type of way to figure it out, because I've been here before. Okay, so if you needed to hear this today, let me be the person who brought this word to you. All right, because there's a reason why we're traders. We sacrifice time, hours, bro, like money, sleep, family time. Sometimes, like, we lose friends, like we lose health. The last person who's gonna feel sorry for somebody is a trader, because nobody feels sorry for us. All right, so I just wanted to spit that one real quick. All right, so if this made your day, if this brought some value to you, man, drop some hundreds on this chat, drop some fire on the chat, bro, because like this ain't sweet. This is not sweet. A whole lot of sacrifices, dog. Like, whole lot. Whole lot. Yep, every Thursday. If there's a problem and I can't pull up, somebody's gonna do it. Somebody else is gonna do it. You can only go up from here. Yep, that's right, Paul. You can only go up from here. Someone be like, my elevator got stuck due to power cut. What should I do? Pray, bro. Straight up. Man, damn, my phone just died, bro. That's crazy. My phone died. Where my chargers at? All right. What time is it? 10:20. All right. So let me also talk to you guys about what is currently happening and what we should anticipate, because it's cool that we called a nice trade, but we also have to be responsible as like and understanding like what could be next here. So damn, phone came back to life quick. I love it. That's what I do. We speak facts. We speak from the heart. What do you know about passion, man? Straight up. We done went through too much. Nobody cares about us. Nobody feels sorry for us, man. At the end of the day, we gotta keep figuring it out. This is what we do as traders, man. No weakness. If you're at the bottom of the barrel, if your back is against the wall, be grateful. Because there's nothing lower than the bottom. That's real talk. Alright. So I'm glad God put it in my heart to say these words to you guys today because I don't know what country right now is listening to the sound of my voice. And so somebody's going through it, I'm sure. This might be their first year trading and they might not understand until like way later where this is coming from, because you got to go through stuff to really understand, to really value, to really just like mature and grow. But I know it's a couple people here. I'm about to go live. I think the phone is just overheating. Yeah. Ooh, Jamaica in the building. Let's go. All right. If man, man, this session too much right now, boy. Whole world, whole world tuning in. We got India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Jamaica, Kosovo, Venezuela. Let's go. Where else? Where else? Where else? Where we from? I'm finna find out new countries today. Tashib Nonen. Is that even a country? That's crazy. I don't even know. Yes, sir. The whole world tuned in. Places I've never even stepped foot in. My voice has carried. My voice has made it through there. I appreciate that, man. Blessings, 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 blessings. If you've been blessed, South Africa, let's go. Appreciate everybody. Rwanda, love you too, love you too. Let's go. The motherland, Haiti. You already know. So today we basically caught everything we needed to catch and more. The TP was here. Clearly, Nas 100 just kept melting. We also just caught US 30, and I was just telling them to make sure they secure their profits because you just never know. Price might just do one of those. It might just pull one of those, and look at that. Pulled right back at the 23.6 retracement, right? That's why you got to make sure you secure your profits. Hey, up 2,000 pips on Nas. I know it. Shout out to you, Jen. Shout out to you, John. Yeah. All right. Master Trader, what's up, my guy? JR caught the same damn pips and more. Hey, we gonna get on live real quick. Man, appreciate everybody. Appreciate everybody. I was just telling the people on the live stream, like, some people will be like, and I know a lot of traders can relate. They'll pull up on the sessions and be like, "Yo, I'm broke. Please help." And I'm like, "Yo, when the market takes money from us and we blow our accounts, or we have a bad day and we just jump in bed for like the whole entire day and tomorrow, nobody comes to our rescue. Nobody. So if we're at the bottom of the barrel, we gotta say thank you, Lord. You know why? Because nothing is lower than the bottom of the barrel. The depression be real, yo. Bro, I remember one time I lost a trade because gold swept weekly highs and I didn't peep. And I was up 240 pips, bro. And that joint came and shot all the way down. Dog, that joint happened at 9:50. It was 9:50 p.m. I'm talking about this joint happened in New York at 9:50 in the morning. It was 9:50 p.m. I was still in bed that day. You feel me? So like when somebody comes in and says, "Oh, I'm broke, please help, please help," the last person who's gonna feel any type of like compassion and sympathy is a trader, because we done went through so much. We done gotten screwed over, no lube. We done, man, brokers done took our money and ran with it. Everybody in our family always looking at us like we was crazy before, right? We done went through so much to still be here. And so when we're at the bottom of if you hit rock bottom, you gotta look at yourself and be like, yo, there's nothing lower than this. I gotta figure it out. Rock bottom is good, because if you ever hit rock bottom again, you'll know exactly how to come up. You'll figure it out again and again and again. Hitting rock bottom is a skill set. It's a circumstance. So when folks ask us to borrow money because we're traders, it's because they know where we're gonna borrow it back. But what if we never? We still gotta figure out how to make it back. And when the market takes money from us, like, who we gonna borrow from? Huh? Who we gonna borrow from? So, like, we gotta understand, man. Like, this journey is supposed to break you, but listen. If pressure makes diamonds, then call me Diamond. Then, all right. If pressure makes diamonds, then call me Diamond. Forget Hans. Call me Diamond. Because all these circumstances, they build the pressure. They definitely pressure you on a day-to-day basis. But how you survive, how you pull through, is literally how you go from higher lows to higher highs in life. That's how the risk to reward happens. You got to go through the highs and the lows to see a new high. Come on now. Come on, somebody. All right, so we caught so many trade setups today. It's ridiculous. We caught UCAD. Thank God we got out of US 30. We caught Nas. My God. This is crazy. This is crazy. Then somebody in the chat was like, "Can you check CAD JPY, please?" I said, "No problem." I looked at the setup. The setup looked lit. And here we are. TP hit. God damn. Somebody was like, "Does your strategy work on every pair?" I said, "It doesn't matter." Do you smell what the setup is cooking? Do you smell what the profits is looking like? All right? Because it's all about structure. It's all about the setup. It's all about the behavior of the market. Always. Always. We done caught so many pips, we done lost count. With good risk to reward. My brother Abdullah, what's up, fam? Is it me? It was me, the cat JPY, bro. You about to get a follow. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. It's Sharon Shetty. Yeah, you almost sound like you almost sound like you're my name, bro. Yep. I called Euro USD as well, but I didn't call this one. Um, yeah, so overall good day. Overall good day. I appreciate everybody who came on. Man, the chat was looking crazy. So now I gotta figure out who is the winner of today's call. And of course, and of course, and of course, it's Sharon Shetty, bro. Come on, man. You knew this was coming. You knew this was coming. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations to the guy who called out CAD JPY, none other than it's Sharon Shetty. You win today's 25K giveaway. My brother Corey Martin is in the building. We got Miami, Florida in the building. We got Philippines in the building. Yo, sheesh. We got Namibia in the building. We got Brazil in the building. Zimbabwe in the building. Australia in the building. Let's go. Fortunes Funding Global, man. Come on. It's no debate. It's no debate. Appreciate everybody who was here, man. Appreciate everybody who was here. Sharon, reach out to me, and we're gonna end it like this. We're just gonna talk about what. Oh yeah, by the way, we did call out EU in the beginning of the week on Facebook, and so like when price actually broke structure here, it broke my heart because I didn't catch it, but price pulled back up here, and they were struggling to go higher. So like I figured it out, and I noticed that like, well, if we came right back to this breaker area here, this previous support turn resistance, then we would have a chance to take the trade again. So your boy caught this beautiful, beautiful Euro USD sell with minimal stop loss. It was about 6 pips stop loss. This joint fell about a good 40 pips. Closed out and right before price retraced, thank goodness. So going forward into the rest of the week. Oh, I didn't even check Forex Factory today, to be honest. I already knew like news was coming, and it was not going to be good news as far as unemployment claims. So as far as unemployment claim numbers, I guess it's not as much jobs lost, so that's a good thing. The numbers came out positive. Durable goods, though, it's not a good look. It's not a good look for goods, meaning food items and things like that, perishable things. They're not so durable right now. All right, shelf life is increasing because the economy is very tough. Everybody's just like tightening their budget. So like instead of buying 3 loaves, 3 bags of bread, you buy like 1.5. You know, it might be the wheat joint, and then the white bread. You know, like the one that costs $1.50 at Walmart, because you know it's hard times right now, man. Bread is bread. All right, so we also have the Jackson Hole Symposium going on. What's up, sis? Regine, how you doing? All right, so we have a lot of news coming tomorrow for the Euro. That's Friday. And FOMC. So because FOMC is, well, the members are going to be speaking. It's not the Fed rates yet. So because of that, you know, there might be some volatility going on tomorrow. We still have the Jackson Hole Symposium. This basically is when all the bankers get together in Wyoming, and they're figuring out how they're going to screw us over even more. You know, Kanaja, what's up, what's up, what's up? What you doing up? Akeem, what's up, bro? So yeah, the economy is obviously just in shambles right now. Things are hard. Times are hard. IRS checks still not coming yet. Yeah, man, it's a lot of situations going on in the in the background on the back end, but we still pushing. By God's grace, we just got to keep pushing. I tried taking GJ buys today, but clearly it looks like we still have some selling pressure instead of buying pressure. So what I'm looking at right now is a breaker block, which tells me GJ is probably going to be selling even more. Looks like we might head down into like the 183s. So that's another opportunity. Definitely another opportunity that we should definitely pay attention to. So just wanted to come on here and drop some gems. Oh, my brother, No Limit, Luca. Cuzzo, what's up, Ghana? We got a full house. Fortunes Funding in the building. Yeah, we caught way too many pips today, man. They should definitely arrest us. All right, so as far as Nas, it seems like we're coming back from yesterday's lows. So we'll see what happens when we get here. Here's the funny thing about this whole situation. Even though price bought, right, we just went and took out liquidity from the beginning of this month. So this is why we sold so hard. Now, whether we're actually going to be seeing, yo, who is Clark? What's up, bro? It's been a minute, bro. Yeah, so what's really going to happen with NASDAQ 100 is like, we got to see if price is going to maintain this low. Because if not, then we could literally be seeing a potential sell-off. But I'm not going to call that just yet. There are still areas that need to be maintained. If not, if they get broken, then it's going to be worse. So in scenarios like this, if you see price break the previous day low, you wait for a retracement and a potential continuation, because once price already sweeps the equal highs of the previous week, that's a high quality trade. And there's a lot more volatility that comes with that. And speaking of volatility, trying to see what the bulls is up to. Shit, I'm trying to see what they're up to also. I know a lot of you guys like Tesla, so let me go ahead and break down Tesla real quick. So it seems like Tesla is still struggling between 237 and 230. So the deciding factor is going to be what happens if price breaks past 212. All right, and NVIDIA carried Nas 100 yesterday. So what do you guys think happened? Earnings came out, option calls did great, but guess what? Folks gotta take some profits. So immediately we see price retracing back into this gap because price rallied so fast yesterday. Now they gotta fill this imbalance, this gap going on right here. For those of you guys who don't understand what a gap is this voided space that you see here. This voided space that you see here. Overall, if you're like a long-term investor, none of that means nothing to you. Every time prices comes back to a low, you just add more to your arsenal. You add more to your portfolio. But for those of us who are day traders, like we making sure we taking a look at all the time frames, from the daily, from the weekly, the monthly, just to make sure. But we can clearly see that this was a W formation. Let's actually change to Heikenhashi. All right, perfect. So as you guys can see here, NVIDIA is still on a bullish structure. Higher highs, higher lows. In fact, this was the first break of structure past this previous decline. I see TradingView is lagging lately. All right, so as you guys can see here, price broke structure, pulled back. And yeah, there's definitely room to continue. There's definitely room to continue higher. So as far as like the NASDAQ and the US 30, it's like we're getting retracements. At the same time, we're also like not as bullish as we were. So the last area of interest to me is 34,000 even. So whatever happens from here is going to be a deciding factor, as far as like where we go from here. All right. So what is this indicator that I have? I got you. It's BOS slash Chuck, or change of character, by Nephew Sam. Pretty handy. Pretty handy indicator. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci just so I can see clearly. And this big impulsive buy that happened here, honestly, was a sweep. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Wow. This was a whole sweep of last Thursday. Oof. My goodness. So, if price cannot break above this area, then yeah, this is definitely going to be the beginning of some more bearish activities. Man, I hope the swing traders like my boy secure their profits. This could be ugly. This could be ugly. So if this is what's going on with the equities markets, let me check back with gold. Huh. Huh. Wow. Gold said, "Let me just go touch the imbalance real quick," and that's all I'm about to do. Damn, gold. Gold said, "Let me just touch the imbalance and still maintain this bullish structure real quick." Gold, you funny. So what does that mean for Euro USD? Euro USD is retracing, so I would not advise anybody to try and still be in any sells right now. And this also tells me USD CAD, damn, USD CAD is losing volume, so I'm gonna have to leave this live so I can get back to my regularly scheduled programming. Anyways, this was a really good live. I'm going to call it a day. Peace, love, and blessings. If you want to follow me on Instagram at SirHansFelix. I'm out.